Hello friends, welcome to LearnMate, and today I will explain you how to apply animation in this splash screen in Windows Studio project. Here is the simple Windows Studio project. First of all, we will create animation. First of all, we will create up-down animation. We complete the up-down animation. Now we create the second animation, down to up animation. Now we apply animation on the splash screen. Now on the splash screen, we take image view and text view. We apply animation on that. Here we create the method. Now we apply the animation on the image view and text view. Up down animation is for image view and down to up animation is for text view. Here we pass the context. Now we set animation on this image view. Set animation down. Down animation. Now we set animation on the text view. Now let's test the app. Here we apply the animation. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. This code will be in the GitHub. You can download this project from the GitHub. And thank you.